Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This video covers React component-based architecture. Let's get started. In a React.js application, components are like building blocks that make up the whole application. We break down the entire application into smaller pieces called components. Imagine you have an application, and at the top level, you have the main component. This main component is the primary part of your application, and it consists of three smaller components: Component 1, Component 2, and Component 3. Component 1, Component 2, and Component 3 are like individual pieces that fit together to create the main component. Think of them as smaller functional units that handle specific tasks or display certain content. Now, the interesting part is that Component 3 includes Component 2 within it. This means that we are reusing Component 2 in the main component and also in Component 3. Once we create a component, like Component 2, we can use it in various parts of the application wherever it is needed. This reusability is one of the key advantages of using components in React.js. It allows us to efficiently manage our code, make changes in one place that apply to all instances of the component, create a consistent user interface across the application, and it saves a lot of development time. Let's use a real-world example of building a car to explain the concept of components-based architecture in React.js. Imagine you are designing and building a car from scratch. The main component of the car is like its main body. It forms the foundation on which all other parts of the car will be assembled. The main body of the car consists of several essential components like engine, fuel tank, tires, airbags, and many other parts like steering wheel, seats, windows, lights, and more. Just like in a React.js application, the main body of the car is made up of smaller components that work together to create a functional and complete car. Each component serves a specific purpose and interacts with others to achieve the desired outcome. In this car building analogy, components are like individual building blocks that contribute to the overall functionality and appearance of the car. Each component is carefully designed to perform its unique role, and once they are assembled into the main body of the car, it becomes a fully functional car. Moreover, similar to React.js components, these car components can be reusable. For example, the same type of engine technology can be used in different car models, or the same airbag technology can be applied in various car designs. Reusability in both scenarios leads to easier maintenance, streamlined development, and consistency across the final product. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.